Where did this PC go in Windows 11? Microsoft hid it by default, but I'll show you how to bring it back in under 15 seconds. No downloads, no registry hacks, just one setting. Right-click any empty space on your desktop, click Personalize. Scroll down to Themes. Under Related Settings, click Desktop Icon Settings. Check the box next to Computer. Yes, Windows still calls it Computer even. While you're here, you can also add Recycle Bin, Users Files, Network, and Control Panel icons. Customize your desktop your way, not Microsoft's. Then hit Apply and OK. Boom, there it is. Your desktop just got 10 times more useful. Smash like if this saved you time, subscribe for more Windows 11 power tips, and comment below. What's the first thing you open from your desktop?